Have you ever looked at an old shirt, a forgotten dress, or a stack of fabric scraps and wondered if they were destined for the donation pile, only to realize they might actually become your next favorite creation? That's exactly what makes upcycling so exciting. Sometimes the most ordinary pieces hiding in the back of a closet can be transformed into something beautiful, unique, and completely unexpected. Today we're exploring more than 50 inspiring ideas for giving old clothes, vintage fabrics, and forgotten textiles a brand new purpose. You'll see creative clothing transformations, gorgeous patchwork designs, clever fabric combinations, and imaginative projects that prove almost anything can become something worth wearing again. As always, every image you're about to see came from my Pinterest board, which is linked in the description below if you'd like to save your favorites for future inspiration. While you're watching, I'd love for you to vote by leaving the number of your favorite idea in the comments. Once we reach around 100 total votes in the comments, I may recreate the winning idea with my own creative twist in a future video. I always enjoy seeing which projects inspire everyone the most, because your favorites are often different from mine, and it's so much fun watching the votes come in. Also, stick around because I'll be sharing a fun real-life upcycling story a little later in the video. It's one of those projects that definitely didn't go quite the way I expected, and I think you'll enjoy hearing how everything unfolded. Now, let's jump into today's collection of creative ideas and see which one becomes your favorite. Before we get into the next group of inspiring ideas, I want to share another true story from one of my own upcycling projects. Every project seems to teach me something different, and this one reminded me that sometimes the hardest part of creating isn't the sewing at all. Sometimes it's simply finding the courage to begin. The scissors were in my hand, the t-shirt was spread across my sewing table, and I just couldn't make myself make that first cut. I remember staring at it, wondering if I was about to destroy something I could never replace. Looking back now, the biggest lesson from that project had very little to do with cutting fabric. Let me rewind and tell you how I got to that moment. The shirt wasn't expensive, but it carried memories that made it feel priceless to me. It had been tucked away in a drawer for years because I couldn't bring myself to donate it. Yet I never wore it anymore either. One day, I decided that instead of letting it sit hidden away, I wanted to transform it into something I could enjoy again. I gathered a few coordinating fabrics, planned a design I loved, and was finally ready to begin. Then the doubts started creeping in. I checked my measurements, rearranged my pattern pieces, and picked up the scissors more times than I could count, only to set them back down again. It wasn't that I doubted my sewing skills. I was afraid that once I made that first cut, there would be no way to undo it. Have you ever wanted to create something so badly that you almost convinced yourself not to start? If you enjoy hearing these upcycling stories while discovering new ideas, I'd love to have you subscribe so you don't miss future inspiration. Finally, I took a deep breath, picked up the scissors one more time, and made that first cut, and what happened next was the last thing I expected. Once I made that first cut, something unexpected happened. Instead of feeling regret, I felt excited. The memories I had been trying so hard to protect weren't disappearing at all. If anything, they suddenly felt like they were becoming part of something new instead of staying hidden away in a drawer where no one would ever see them. As I continued sewing, I stopped worrying about whether I was preserving the shirt perfectly and started focusing on creating something I would actually enjoy wearing. The project came together much more naturally after that because I wasn't sewing out of fear anymore. I was sewing with purpose. Looking back, I realized the hardest part of the entire project wasn't choosing fabrics, sewing straight seams, or designing the layout. The hardest part was convincing myself to begin. That experience changed the way I approach sentimental projects today. Instead of asking myself, what if I ruin it? I try to ask, what if I give it a brand new life? That one change in thinking has helped me finish projects I probably never would have started before. If you're looking for fabric or clothing to use in your own upcycling projects, you'll find a link to my vintage shop in the description. I have lots of fabric available, along with clothing that's perfect for creative makeovers. You'll also find links to my upcycling tutorials and playlists if you'd like even more inspiration for your next project. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. I truly appreciate you being here. Before you head to the next video, don't forget to vote for your favorite idea by leaving its number in the comments. There's another creative video waiting for you on your screen now, and I'd love to have you join me there. I'll see you there.